What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend, and if you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Happy Saturday, and go Bucks, be Irish. So I have a dividend stock that I sold. I was not happy with it. I was not happy with the trends. Now, since I have a lot more time, I'm reevaluating my dividend portfolio, and I did pretty well with my dividend income. So I'll have in the at the end my if you click the link, you'll see my dividend income if you're new to this channel. So this dividend stock, it just didn't cut it. There's a lot of problems. I could rebuy it in the future. That's something I haven't ruled out right now. I was not happy with the dividend growth. I was not happy with the debt. And there's a huge risk of a dividend cut just studying the trends. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button, and I'll show you what stock I added right now. And here's the dividend stock I sold, and I'll explain to you why. BNG Foods, it's sitting at 20.51. Dividend yield of 9.26%. Woo! PE ratio 34.74. Average volume 860.03K. Market cap 1.49 billion US dollars. G range is 2049 to 3427. Its day range is 2049 to 2133, and its previous close was 2102. So let's go over these guys first. Here's some of their products that they bring to the table. Ortega is a big one, especially people that like Taco Tuesday. Back to Nature, plant-based snacks, Clabber Girl, Cream of Wheat, Green Giant, Ortega, Crisco, B&G, B&M, Baker's Joy, Bear Creek, Bear Rabbit, good products, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Seasoning Blend, Crock Pot, Deca Cake, Emeralds, like pasta that he has, the pasta sauce I really like. Actually, Joan of Arc is a good product in the store. McCann's Irish Oatmeal, Maple Grove Farms of Vermont, New York Style. So they have a lot of stuff. Skinny Girl. So their products are out in the store that people buy. So that's one thing that's attractive. Weber, their seasoning is actually really good. Sometimes I use that to meal prep and grill. Wright's Liquid Smoke and Vermont Made Syrup. So these guys are a little bit down. I'll go over that. They have excellent products. This is one that I may rebuy in the future if things get fixed. But I'm going to show you a few problems with these guys. So first off, their revenue is not too bad. 2015, this is in millions US dollars, 966, 2016, 1,372, 2017, 1,646, 2018, 1,700, 2019, 1,660, 2020, 1,967, in 2021, 2,056. So the revenue is not bad, but there's a few things I want to go over with you guys. So there's a few things. So current historical debt to equity ratio for B&G Foods over the last 10 years. Debt to equity ratio can be defined as a measure of a company's financial leverage calculated by dividing its long-term debt by shareholders' equity. B&G Foods debt to equity for the 3 months ending in June 30th, 2022 was 2.44. That, we got some issues. So let's look at this. Long-term debt, way up there. They got to pay off their debt eventually. Shareholders' equity, it's up. Debt to equity ratio, there's been some trends that have been high, 3.71. It's jumping up a little bit. And the problem with the debt to equity ratio being a little high, and I'll go over a good debt to equity ratio first, because you guys need to know what's a good score. So I'm just going over a few things. What is a good debt to equity ratio? Although it varies from industry to industry, a debt to equity ratio is around 2 or 2.5 and is generally considered good. This ratio tells us that every dollar invested in the company, about 66 come from debt, while the other 33 cents come from the company's equity. So let's go over a few more things. And this is per Seeking Alpha. B&G Foods is currently offering a dividend with a gigantic yield that is nearing 12%. This is a rare find in today's low-yield environment. However, there is trouble on two fronts. The company is struggling operationally. Meanwhile, the balance sheet is in horrible shape and is not poised to support the payout. The company is committed to the dividend right now, but it's difficult to see a long-term turnaround without a dividend cut. Now let's study the dividend trends. And I agree with these guys. Let's study the dividend trends. And this brings up a red flag as well. This is why I tell you guys to study the trends. So here's our dividend history per Zacks. 27 cents, 2013, 29 cents, then 32 cents, then 33 cents, then 34 cents, 2015, 35 cents, 2016, 42 cents, and 2017, 47 cents. And it's been stagnant for a few years, 2018. And then 2018, it's 48 cents, and it's stuck at 48 cents. And it hasn't changed since 2018. So the payout ratio is 141%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 1. Dividend growth is in 5 years is 0.33%. So if you bought one share, you made 190 with a 9.26% dividend yield. That is screaming dividend cut. A high payout ratio, usually if you have a payout ratio, I like to say below maybe 80, just to maybe say textbook with a lot of people claim, maybe 75, unless if you're a real estate investment trust or a business development company. That raises some red flags. So I'm going to show you since I sold these guys, I'm going to show you what stock I bought and why I bought it. And the stock I bought was Flowers Foods instead. It's sitting at $26.99, a dividend yield of 3.26%, a PE ratio of 26.47, average volume 1.16 million, market cap 5.72 billion US dollars. Its year range is 2278 to 2973. Stay range is 2688 to 2754, and its previous close is 2728. So what do these guys bring to the table? Well, first off, they're doing decent against the S&P. So that's one thing that's very attractive with these guys. Second, I'm going to go over these guys as a company. And thank you, Wikipedia. Flowers Foods is headquartered in Thomasville, Georgia, is a producer and marketer of packed bakery food. The company operates 47 bakeries producing bread, buns, rolls, snack cakes, pastries, and tortillas. Flowers Foods are sold regionally through a direct store network that encompasses the East, Southwest, West, and Northwest regions of the U.S. and delivered nationwide to retailers' warehouses. It has made acquisitions of a number of bakeries and another number of food companies over the years, continuing through the present day. As of February 2013, it has grown to be a second largest baking company in the United States. Number 2. So that's one thing that very, very much attracted me. I'm going to go to their website and show you which products they bring to the table. They have Nature's Own, Dave's Killer Bread, Canyon Bakehouse, Tasty Cake, Mrs. Freshly's, Wonder Bread, okay? How many people buy Wonder Bread in the store? Sunbeam Bread, Merida, Captain John's Desserts, Evangeline Maid, European Bakers, Butternut, Mikasa, Bunny Bread, Home Pride, that's another very popular brand. I actually see it right across from my table over there. That's the bread that I bought this week. So they have these type of things, and remember, bread is usually cheaper than a lot of stuff out there, and people are being very tight on money, so that's one thing. So I always tell people, show me the bread. That's one thing. These guys generate a lot of cash, and I'm going to go over their revenue. So check out their revenue. This is in millions US dollars. 3,778, 2016, 3,926, 2017, 3,920, 2018, 3,951, 2019, 4,123, 2020, 4,387, and then 2021, 4,330. So these guys, the revenue-wise, is going pretty well from 2015 to 2021. But there's a few other things I really like about these guys as well. These guys have an extensive stock split history. 1987, 3 for 2, 95, 3 for 2, 97, 3 for 2, 2002, 3 for 2, 2003, 3 for 2, 2005, 3 for 2, 2007, 3 for 2, 2011, 3 for 2, and 2013, 3 for 2. These guys do split their stock a lot. That's one thing that's attractive. And again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description, but they do pretty well as a company, and their price per share is done well against the S&P. So, I'm not banking on a stock split anytime soon, but these guys do pretty well as a company, and this is what makes them very attractive. Hopefully in the future they split their stock when I own these guys on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. There's no guarantees, of course, but I like the trends. I like the way they're doing it against the S&P, and I'm going to show you their dividend history. Let's just start in 2012. It was 16 cents. Then it had a little nice dividend split to 8 cents, then 11 cents in 2013, 2014. Then 2014 it was 12 cents to 13 cents to 15 cents in 2015. Then 2016 it was 16 cents. And then 2017 it was 17 cents. Then 2018 it was 18 cents. And then 2019 it was 19 cents. And then 2020 it was 20 cents. Then 2021 it was 21 cents. And 2022 was 22 cents. So the dividend growth in 5 years is 5.39%. Payout ratio is 70%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. So if you bought one share, you made 88 cents with a 3.26% dividend yield. So let me know what you think of this video. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Do you think that was a good decision I made? Of course, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. Do you like Flowers Foods? A lot of you guys did make some comments on Instagram, Twitter, and my YouTube channel regarding Flowers Foods. Do you think that was a good decision I made? And again, let me know what you think of Flowers Foods. This is what I did. I provide my rationales as to why I sell stocks. I always do that. And you guys have a great Saturday, and I'm going to try to squeeze one in tomorrow. So again, thank you guys so much. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers, 200 more, and we reached 10,000. So if you're new, make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. You guys enjoy your Saturday. Take care.